Yeah, Melissa, that storm that's just to our southwest, spawning a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning, and we're hearing rumbles of thunder in the backyard. To be safe, you know, we always say, thunder roars, we go indoors. So we practice what we preach here. If we hear the thunder, we come inside. So let's talk about what's happening, where that storm is right now. Thank you, Control Room, for working with us here. Look at that, how it's lighting up just south of this TV station here. I want to go ahead and zoom in on that area right there. And you may not know this, but lightning can actually strike up to 10 miles away from the storm. And we're within that 10 miles of that storm right now. That's what we're looking at there on camera. I want to go ahead and zoom in on this area right here. So there you go. The storm system itself over the Wilkes-Barre, Nanticoke area. And again, the northern edge of this, just about 10 miles from where we are. So we are watching this closely. That's why we had to go inside, and that's what it looks like over the Poconos. You did have a couple of storms there. This one's moving to the southeast. That's over Glen Summit right now. So you folks in Whitehaven, Freeland, Hazleton, Weatherly, get ready. So those storms are moving in your direction. They're all diving to the southeast. Now, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning that was just issued a few minutes ago. Yeah, right there. I just want to zoom in on it. This one that was just issued. This is until 6:15. So now let's go back to that storm. That's the nice thing about doing weather live during the severe weather hit. We can actually watch this. So it's this system right here. I'm going to highlight it for you. It's this one right here that we have that severe thunderstorm warning going on for right here. And it's moving in this direction. So let me fan that out. So there you go. Jersey Shore, it'll be there around 6 o'clock. Limestone around 6:19. White Deer 6:47. Now this severe thunderstorm warning is only until 6:15. So, but that doesn't mean that these storms that are out ahead of it aren't problematic, because they are as well. You can see the red and the yellow. That's indicating some downpour. So Bloomsburg just had some rain there now. You've got another couple rounds. See between Muncie Creek and Milton. All of that activity is also moving to the southeast, so it's moving in this direction. So that means Mahanoy City and those areas, you get down into the southern tier, they will be looking at the potential for some more showers and a few more storms. So that's why we're talking. There may be some more issues for the whole Gojo get-together that's going on down there. And then lastly, I just want to look at this one over here. So there you go. Yeah, that's the one with all the cloud-to-ground lightning. Again, watches and warnings. We have a severe thunderstorm warning just issued a few minutes ago for parts of Lycoming County. And then we also have that severe thunderstorm watch, which was issued late this afternoon over parts of the Poconos and southern tier. So the good news is tonight the storms will be ending, and we'll be looking, once we get beyond 7, 8 o'clock this evening, they'll really wind down pretty quickly. And as far as temperatures go, we're going to have temperatures well above average for us. We should be in the lower 60s. Instead, we're going to be in the upper 60s, close to 70. As a matter of fact, for our backyard, that's what I'm forecasting, around 70 there. And then we look at tomorrow. I'm going to jump right to tomorrow's dog walking forecast real quick here. I got to show this. I love this photo. This is Rusty and Raven. Isn't that adorable, Melissa? That is absolutely adorable. Thank you, John, for sending it in. They're keeping an eye. Apparently, there's a bear that goes to the bird feeders, and so they're keeping an eye on that. So good for them. And let's go ahead and show you future clouds and radar. This is for Saturday. In the morning, we may have some showers. See them right there in the morning out there in central Pennsylvania. Most of eastern PA looks dry, and we'll be dry into the afternoon for most of the area. So temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer. We'll be talking temps tomorrow, upper 80s to near 90 northern tier. In the valley cities, we are looking at temperatures right around 90 degrees, as you see there. And we'll continue to monitor. Even in the Poconos, it's going to be a little toasty there as well. Stroudsburg showing a 90 on the board, mid-80s elsewhere, upper 80s, close to 90 southern tier, and we'll be close to 90 degrees in parts of central Pennsylvania as well. And because of that, it's going to be hot. We have a weather impact alert, very similar to what we had for this afternoon. That's going to be for tomorrow, Melissa, because we'll have heat indices close to the triple digits once again. Stifling out there today with the heat. It's going to be hot again tomorrow. And watch out for a couple of storms rolling around on Sunday. We'll track those in a little bit.